If you've been wondering how to create an email course with drip content and want the fastest, simplest way to do it without wasting hours figuring things out, this is the only video you need. Stick around till the end because I'll walk you through the exact steps using one software I tested extensively. And if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel linked in the description. So let's get right into it. An email course with drip content is just a sequence of pre-written emails that get sent out on a schedule, day by day or week by week, automatically after someone signs up. The beauty is you set it up once and it works 24/7, building trust and delivering value on autopilot. First, go ahead and sign up for the free trial of the software we'll be using. It's linked below, and yes, it's exclusive for Dan Thorne viewers. Once you're inside, create a new campaign or workflow, depending on what the tool calls it. You'll typically see something like automation or sequences. Choose the option that lets you send a series of emails after someone subscribes. Now, set your trigger. This is what starts the drip sequence. Most commonly, it's when someone fills out a form or joins a list. So set that up, name your form or list something like free 7-day email course, so it's easy to manage later. Next, write your emails. Keep it simple. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Start with a welcome email that introduces the course and tells them what to expect. Then plan your content day by day. For example, day 1, intro and expectations. Day 2, first lesson or tip. Day 3, continue building on that tip. And so on. In this software, you'll create a new email step for each day. Add a delay between each one, usually 1 day, so they don't all land at once. Most tools let you just drag and drop delays into the workflow. Make sure each email is short, valuable, and leads into the next. At the end of each message, tease what's coming tomorrow. That helps keep people opening your emails throughout the whole sequence. Once you've added all your emails and delays, test the workflow. Most tools have a test mode. Use it. You'll want to make sure the emails send in the right order and the spacing is exactly how you planned. Finally, publish your automation and connect the form to your website or landing page. That way, when someone signs up, they're automatically dropped into your email course drip sequence. And just like that, you've got an automated email course working for you 24/7. It builds relationships, educates your audience, and positions you as the expert, all without you lifting a finger after setup. Here's the key takeaway. Setting up an email course with drip content isn't complicated once you understand the flow, trigger, email sequence, delays, and delivery. You do the work once, and it keeps delivering value over and over again. Quick recap: 1. Sign up for the free trial in the description. 2. Create a sequence or workflow with an opt-in trigger. 3. Write out each email and add 1-day delays between them. 4. Test your workflow. 5. Publish and connect it to your sign-up form or page. And remember, that exclusive free trial is waiting in the description. It's the same software I used to test this out. And the easiest one I found for drip content email courses. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching.